Hello friends, this is Vivek Kumar from Sudo Analytics and I welcome you to your favorite series, Weekend Fun. This weekend, I have another interesting use case. I'm sure you are going to like it. In this weekend series, I have attempted to combine the functionality of WhatsApp messages in Spotfire dashboards. In this demonstration, I have included business API of WhatsApp along with the Python data functions, and it receives input directly from the dashboard and sends it to the developer. Basically, I right now I have made the recipient address as fixed so that because I do not have multiple numbers to demonstrate the functionality as it is. So but definitely, if there is a business case and there is a proper requirement, it can be customized to deliver it to multiple phone numbers as well. So what it does, it simply gathers the feedback from the dashboard. Right now I'm receiving it from a document property, but you can do the same from the data table and the different dynamic text, etc., and send it directly to the WhatsApp number of the developer. Basically, I have tried to demonstrate a feedback functionality directly to the WhatsApp. So see it in the action. Here it is. I want to submit a sample text as a feedback to my developer. Let's see. I want to simply say that your dashboard have issues. Fix it on priority. For example, and that's just a sample message. I'm clicking the send button here, basically what small WhatsApp icon here. I have customized it to look like a WhatsApp icon. And by the way, I'm using all the open graphics. They are royalty free. Click here, data function gets executed, and we can see here a WhatsApp message is generated to the number configured here, and it says that same message like your dashboard have issue, fix it on priority. Basically, the other text like Spotfire notification heading as a heading and analysis file has a warning that have been added from the WhatsApp template because WhatsApp Business API just support messaging from web API directly from the templates, not the plain text messages. So we need to get a template for message created that receives certain variables and it need to be approved by WhatsApp, then well it can be sent over there. And last thing is like you can see there is a small dynamic button there that gives a link to be delivered there. So basically in WhatsApp template itself, WhatsApp message template itself, we got flexibility to put dynamic links. Based on the use case we can customize it. For example, we can be sending the dashboard URL as a sample message there or simple link there so that the developer will means the recipient will come to know which specific URL have the problems from where this particular feedback is coming. So that's the functionality over here. Let's try changing another one. Means I'm trying to deliver another message just for sample message, or let's type here sometime developers like appreciation as well, so sending it directly from the dashboard on WhatsApp, and let's see how it works, and we are done. So basically that's all from my side. I have not included code in this example and the step-by-step instructions because I consumed most of my time today in creating this use case itself and demonstration file. It takes a lot of effort and it is a little bit complex than the other attempts I have done so far. So I will be giving up the code and the step-by-step instructions if you really want it, and I get good number of likes and subscribers, so that because basically if I'm putting efforts, I want something to be interesting for the users as well. I don't want to just create a step-by-step tutorial without people get showing interest into that. So if you want the code, please like and subscribe our channel and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.